Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to mail Epic Games. So let's go to Gmail first. Log into your Gmail account. After logging to Gmail, you'll find here a pencil icon or Compose. Go to Compose. Then into section, if you want to mail Epic Games, you have to just put here this address. This one, epicsupport@gmail.com. Okay, note this. Then you have to write here the subject, like any subject you can be requesting for mail. Please offer us more free games. Then you can write here, dear Epic Games, okay. Then you can write your message here. Okay. Then just after that you can write your name. Sincerely, your name. Then you can just put this button on, send button. Your message will be sent to that Epic. If you want to see this, go send, and you will find your messages here, what you have sent already. So guys, this is how you can send Epic Games messages or mail to Epic Games. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.